Hello everyone. So today we are going to see something different. With reference to my earlier post, someone commented that creating an MCP server is really easy and like you can try that. I did it and it is so fascinating. The power of MCP server connected with STAAD is like doing magic. We are going to demonstrate that now. Let us see the STAAD MCP server which I created in action. Hey Claude, create a simple portal frame with two columns and one intermediate beam in between. In XY plane, keep the start node at 0, 0, 0. I want the column to column distance of the portal frame as 8 meter. Here if you see one important thing, like I didn't mention the height. Let us see whether it is capturing it or not. Okay, okay. Let me build it like it is starting to build. Okay, it is saying that since like I didn't provide, it is assuming it has 4 meter. Yes, the 8 meter like it captured correctly. See, like it is coming correct. Okay, but I didn't say the height, right? So we don't want that particular height. I don't like the height of 4 meter. I want the height to be 6 meter. Can you modify that? Okay, here it is like capturing it correctly because I didn't add the node modification tool to the MCP server yet. So it cannot literally move this node. So it is like stating I will create a new model. Okay. I have deleted everything. You can like go ahead and then create a new model. Yeah, this time like it is creating with 6 meter. Yes, good. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Good. The portal frame is created. This is not, this is a simple one. Let us go ahead with creating a A-type portal frame. Hey Claude, now create me a gable end frame, which will be, in simple terms, it is called as A-type frame. The height of the frame is 7 meter. The center to center distance or the width of the frame is going to be 30 meter and the slope of the rafter is going to be 1 and 10. Create me a A-type portal frame at 10 meters on Z axis and the frame should orient along XY plane. Let us see how it handles this one. Offset 10 meter, yeah, it is capturing correct. Width is 30 meter, eve height is 7 meter, yeah, it created 7 meter eve height and then like it captured, yeah, it is 15 meter, it is like capturing it as a ridge and the ridge slope is like 1.5, 15, so 1.5, 1 and 10, it is doing that also correctly. Good, good, it did. Here the main problem is like our PEB rafters will have intermediate nodes, right? Let us ask whether it is capable of doing that or not. Okay, Claude, the A-type portal frame looks good, but the problem is I used to have intermediate nodes at each 3 meter for the rafters. So I want additional 3 meter nodes along the rafter from ridge to eave on both sides. Okay, let us see like how it handles. Okay, it is like calculate, it is saying that as a Okay, 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 it is doing it. Huh? It's good. And if you see the last member, it is 3015. No, instead of 3 meter, it taken as 3015. Okay, okay. Let us redo it. You made a mistake. I want the slant length to be 3 meter, not the horizontal spacing to be 3 meter. So the slant length has to be 3 meter. I removed the additional nodes which you created, so you can go ahead and then create nodes now. Okay, not the horizontal distance, the slant distance as 3 meter. Okay, go ahead. Actually, it did. It also gave the correct explanation. Here, it is stating that horizontal distance it is taking as 3 meter. Okay, it is really powerful and Claude is understanding really good. Okay, yeah, here it is plotting. Good. It is starting from the eve. Sorry, from the eve. It is progressing. Now it is 3 meter. The last piece has to be 3 meter. Good. Yes, guys. So this is the power of MCP server connected with Claude. Right now, I just have only two tools, one for creating node and one for creating a beam. With this alone, Claude is understanding the concept really good and it is like coming up with great responses. If I could like extend my MCP server and add more tools for applying sections, applying load, extracting the results from STAAD, then like we don't have to do anything. We can just give a voice command and we can wait for the results. It is so promising. I don't know where it is going to take us. I had a really good time creating this MCP. Okay, those who know how to create an MCP server, try it out. This is really promising, man. Okay, guys, see you in another video. If you want to try anything new with STAAD or any engineering application, you can like give it in a comment. I will try it out. Okay, see you guys. Bye.